Hello, Legal Leute. Welcome back to my channel, Unique German Learning with Rashmi. I hope that you all are fine and taking care of yourselves and your family. As you know, in our previous videos, we have learned some greetings, phrases, alphabets, and numbers till 100. Now, in this video, we are going to learn some vocabulary on family. So, let's begin. Lektion 5. Again, Lektion 5. So, here, Familienmitglieder. Again, Familienmitglieder. Familien means family, Mitglieder is members. Again, Familienmitglieders. Just taking care of the pronunciation of family, Familie. Again, Familie. So, let's move ahead. First is die Großeltern. Die Großeltern. Die means the, Großeltern means grandparents. Here you are watching articles in purple. Every noun in German takes article. I want to suggest you don't go into the details for now. We will definitely learn about these articles in further videos. Just learn it as they are for your better understanding. Okay. So, next is die Großmutter. Die Großmutter, which means grandmother. Again, Großmutter. So, again, it's Oma. Oma. We also say Großmutter as Oma in Germany. Next is der Großvater. Der Großvater. We can also say Opa, which means grandfather. Groß means big, Vater means father, grandfather. Here also we can say Groß means big, Mutter means mother, grandmother. Next is die Eltern. Again, die Eltern. Again, die Eltern, which means parents. So, der Vater, which means father. You can also say Vati. Again, der Vater, Vati. Die Mutter, which means mother. Again, die Mutter. You can also say Mutti. Die Geschwister. Die Geschwister, which means sibling. Again, die Geschwister. Next is der Bruder. Der Bruder, which means brother. Die Schwester. Again, die Schwester, which means sister. Der Cousin. Their cousine, which is male cousin. Die Cousine. Again, die Cousine, which means cousin, female cousin. Next is die Kinder, which means children. Again, die Kinder. Again, die Kinder. Next is die Tochter, which means daughter. Again, die Tochter. Next, der Sohn. Der Sohn, which means son. Again, der Sohn. Please take care of the pronunciation. Sohn. Okay. Next is die Verwandte. Die Verwandte, which means relatives. Again, die Verwandte. Die Tante, which means auntie. Die Tante. Their uncle, which means uncle. Their uncle. Again, die Verwandte. Die Tante. Their uncle. So, here is the family chart. Ich, which means me. Ich, which means me. Again, jüngerer Bruder. Jüngerer Bruder, which means younger brother. Again, jüngerer Bruder. Next, Schwester, which means sister. Schwester. Cousine, cousin. Cousine. Uncle, uncle, uncle. Tante, aunt, tante. Vater, father, Vater. Mutter, mother, Mutter. Großmutter, grandmother, Großmutter, Großvater, grandfather, Großvater. So I think it's enough for today. Do practice as much as you can. So at last, thank you so much. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also click on the bell icon to get the notification of the video. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you so much.